Guys, Winston here. Today is May 13, 2026, and today we are on week 3, day 3 of our 100K Funded Next Challenge, CFD. And right now, I just wanted to give you guys an update on the challenge so far, right? I did exit my GA short from last week. Beautiful, beautiful trade. Just want to show you guys real quick. Entered right here from last Friday, exited here, and on Cinco de Mayo we did have a beautiful short right here, and we end up closing at this key 4-hour, or I'm sorry, key daily level. I just decided to close it around here, and we actually missed out about 80 plus pips, I would say, or whatever that is, 97 points, 80 pips, whatever. We did miss out on that. Okay, so it is what it is. Can't be greedy, and this is always gonna happen. Just like how market's always gonna open, you're always gonna miss out on opportunities. You watched my video from a couple weeks ago. I did miss out on a 63 pip move. I missed out. I caught a really big 4K trade the other week. I caught a 2.7K trade this week. I'm floating $500. So there's an abundance opportunity. That's what I'm trying to get to. There's no flex or anything. But for today, May 13, Wednesday, I sort of broke my rules. I'm not gonna lie. So I woke up around 5 in the morning this morning, which we were right at this consolidation zone right here. So it was like that. And guess what I decided to do? I decided to take a long, and I guess the time was wrong because I took it during London morning. I took it at this bottom tick, right? 186.254. So right around, sorry, 86.254. So around there, put a little tight. I'm not gonna lie, I put a tight stop loss, and got stopped out at 186.088. And after I got stopped out, so 160.88. Pretty much I got stopped out, and then I just waited for a slight, I guess, one more doji under this. I entered this and I saw a doji, and after that doji we just consolidated during the end of New York session, and now we are on Asia session, just doing a nice, I thought it was going to be a break and retest, but since we broke above this, it might change to an uptrend. There are so much moving parts on why I took a long this morning. I thought my analysis was wrong, right? GU was correlating heavily with this, so that's why I decided to change my bias, right? And also, most people were doing shorts. Most people were shorting GU, and that kind of equals to GA going long for this specific date in case. So that was that. And gas prices are still up, so I know I'm not going over really much about technical analysis, so here's the technical analysis. So explain the trades from earlier. Like I said, it was all the way on the top here, right? Close right there, close it there. Missed out about 87 pips. And like I said, I took the entry this morning. Had a nice spike. It was like profiting around 300. I thought it was floating and, risk free. No. V-shaped recovery to the max. Dropped once, twice. Dropped once, I was already like, oh, they're squeezing me down to my stop loss, which is below this key daily level, and then I decided to re-enter off that doji, like I said. I was scared. I put my stop loss right at this key weekly level. But yeah, look at GU. GU, I saw this from the very beginning of the morning. I woke up at 5 in the morning, so I just saw this drop right here, and I was like, okay, GU buys. That means short, but the bias for GU, everyone was trying to short, so I decided to long. It's a little complicated for today, but that's why I took a loss today, 159, and that was my fault. It is what it is. But here's what I messed up today, and I just wanted to post this to keep myself accountable. I got hyped up to this morning. I'm like, I'm gonna go try AU. AU is not my pair. If you follow my whole journey this time, it's just GA. Just GA, strictly. And my dumbass decided to enter AU. I'm sorry. See the how I entered here. Got stopped out there. And that's how I lost $250 this morning. So even though I'm floating, doesn't mean I'm like net profiting crazy right now. Yeah, it was slightly in profit, like GA, but that V-shaped recovery. Once for this amount of time, I just panic sold and just called it a day on AU, even though I wasn't even supposed to touch this. Look how much it went back down. It is what it is. Could have maybe not take this loss, but it is what it is. I have this bottom tick right here, so yeah, hopefully we can break even or bounce some back here. Who knows? It's a bottom tick. I don't even want to be in this trade, but it is what it is. Keep you guys updated, and I look forward to week 4 next week. I'm gonna recap. I don't know if I'm gonna recap this week. We'll try something new. We'll try something different, but for now, peace.